Hello everyone and welcome to the Crafty Cauldron. I'm Beth Sexton and I am here with another flip through. This is a little folio that I made. I didn't follow anyone's specific instructions or anything. I just kind of flew by the seat of my pants. So what we have is it's a little folio. It's kind of chunky for a folio, but hey, that makes it fun, right? Okay, so this is about 9.5 by 6.5 with about a 1/2 inch spine. And I have used a paper pack for the outside. This is the back. The theme is kind of like birds. Love birds. Anyway, not love birds. I love birds. There you go. Little piece of paper back here just for journaling or writing. You want to leave a note or something like that. And I actually put it in there before I stuffed it full. The closure is an elastic band and it is on a little hook. I believe these little hooks were used for undergarments. They were in my mom's sewing stuff and I thought, hey, why not try and use one of those? So that is the hook. The front is a envelope flip. We've got a small envelope here and then a smaller envelope here, and it's held shut with a little altered paper clip. It's got a coin and a feather on it, and this opens like this, and then there's a little card in here, just a little journaling card with some stamping and collaging. And then this is empty right here. This is the front of the larger envelope, and there's a little tiny envelope here with a little printable thing. I'm not sure where that's from. Just India stamp. It's really cool. It's got a little elephant on it. And these little tiny envelopes, which are from Nick the Booksmith, as is this tag. And these are all just, they slide in and out right there. Then there's this larger envelope pocket here, which is also empty, and this has a little tuck spot with a piece of paper. It's kids drawing paper. It's kind of like old book page. Thank you, Amy, for letting me know about that a long time ago. So in this pocket, this is the actual front of the folio here with the paper pack page on it, and then these are from books, and it's a glossary page or something from a book about flowers, and the back is for journaling. And then this is a dictionary page covered tag with I can't remember what that is. It's Swift, I think, and then music, and then for journaling. I love using dictionary page because, I mean, if all else fails, you've got something to read, right? So that just folds back like this, and this goes here, and you are welcome to fold that back any old way you want. So on the inside we have this little doodad. It's made out of a paper bag with journaling spot on the inside, and you can journal all over the front of this. And this is tag that I picked up the idea for this off of now there's a crafty idea, Eileen Watson. She has a YouTube channel. I will list that below. This is really, really cool. It looks like a tag, but when you open it up, that's my crazy cat. There are spots for envelope spots for journaling tags. So I've made 4 journaling tags to go in there, and I like to put different things on them. So that one's got a bug, and that's the second one. This is the third one with a duck and a quote. And this is a caterpillar with a label, another little piece of sentence from a book, and that all just kind of closes up like that and slides back into that pocket, and then it's held shut by this twisty thing. And this is made out of an old Russian encyclopedia page. So all of the paper in here I dyed myself. This is coffee stained with a doily. There's a lot of writing room in here. there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, so that's 28 pages, but they're large pages. So on this page we've got a flip pocket, corner pocket tuck with a couple of journaling cards following the bird theme, and I've actually found some sheet music in blue to match, and that was pretty cool. This is from Nick the Booksmith, and the labels are as well. I just printed them on different papers. And then this is part of a scrapbook paper page, scrapbook paper, and I did doily stamping on it. I have a video about that in my playlist where I show you how to do it. It's really super easy. It's not a new idea, I'm sure. So all of these are from books. So that goes there, or you can change it. More coffee staining, and then this pocket is large with a piece of blue parchment copy paper folded up to look like sort of like an envelope. And then this is a pre-printed page. It's 8.5 by 11 size, and I got that on Amazon. Let's put those back in there. And then this is a altered paper clip right here, which holds this shut. It's a fold-out page, goes both ways. And then there's a pocket here with some calling cards, and these are printables from the Paper Outpost. Thought those were pretty neat. The whole theme of this is birds and words. Birds and words, because everything is like letters and dictionary entries and stuff like that. And this, let's not put this back on yet because I got to show you these too. This is a vintage card catalog card that's been distressed, and it's got Froggy on the back. And then this is a printed page, just folded up to look like an envelope with a torn closure flap here. And then that goes in this pocket, or you can move it around, of course. And then I just slide it all the way over like this, and then put this back here, and put the paper clip on right there. And then more coffee stained paper and dyed paper, and on this page there's a little belly band here with a couple of little tiny envelopes, craft envelopes here, and I just stamped those. This is a hidden journaling space that I found on, I found the idea for this on Mad Paper Crush on her YouTube channel. Please go look at her. She's got super cool ideas. So this just kind of swivels open. Oh, and this is Tim Holtz. I can't remember what it's from. It might be the thrift store pack. I'm not sure. But you can write on the back of this, and inside here, and then cover it. So you've got a little secret journaling spot there. Then this goes inside of this little tiny front pocket. In this larger pocket, we've got a page of blue copy paper parchment, another card catalog card that's been embellished with mushrooms. And these are stickers. This is a transparent vellum sticker, and then this is from a book. And then this is a Tundex card. It's a song called At the End of the Day, and this is vintage. See, copyright 1933. So, oh, date of issue is 1948. So, see that? Isn't that cool? I love these. These are awesome. I got these from Donna Little. She is also on YouTube, and I will provide her link as well. So we've got more paper, coffee stained paper. I love the way this came out right here. It's really cool. This is from a paper pack, and I just stitched on a piece of craft paper on the back. That's actually a page from an old photo album that I found at the thrift store many years ago. And then this is a tag made with Crafty Cat's, oh gosh, it's the coloring book kit, 17th century coloring book or something like that. And then I collaged it. It's really neat. The little birdie's looking through the frame. That's a Tim Holtz frame, and that's a Tim Holtz, a little price tag there, but the textiles, of course, we put those on. And more collaging down here. More dyed paper, more space to journal. Here there's a little flip out, and then on the back part there is a little library card pocket with a couple of library cards in it, and these are from my stash. This is from 1963. That's when the date of the last checkout was. A little tiny notebook here for you to use any way you wish. Just thought that was kind of cute. And then a little journaling card here with a tab. And this pocket is, it's like a correspondence envelope. And there's just some lined paper in there, and the lined paper has gold on the edges, I think. May have had to trim that off, but nope, there it is. Gold on the edges right there. And that goes right in there. Well, it does go right in there, I swear. There we go. And then it closes up like that. And then there's a pocket behind there as well, but I didn't necessarily mark it. It's just kind of a secret pocket. So then this folds like that. There's the back that we looked at before, and that's the little folio. And there you are. This will be listed in my Etsy store. If you are interested in it before it gets listed in my Etsy store, please contact me at my email address, which is in the description of this video. Don't contact me through Facebook or anything like that. My email is best. I'll be sure and get it. So thank you all for watching. I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing from the bottom of my heart. And welcome back to all of my previous subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you all soon in the next video. More flip throughs coming up. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.